How to recover deleted boards. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you recover deleted boards. To recover deleted boards on Pinterest, the process depends entirely on which platform you are using, whether it's a Pinterest or whether it's a Trello or Miro. As we're doing it for Pinterest, so what you need is simply you have a time limitation. So you have 7 days to restore a board or a deleted board. So you just have to make sure to go to your Pinterest app onto your device, tap the profile at the very bottom right corner of the screen, and here you just have to go ahead and tap on the gear icon and you have to go ahead and look for saved. So here you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap on profile. You just want to go to saved, and here you should be able to scroll to the very bottom and recently deleted section. You can find it. So and this way you should be able to locate. However, if you cannot find one right on this section, then it means this is not going to be recovered or you'll no longer be able to access it. So you might want to contact support, let them know about it, and they can help you out as well. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.